welcome to Sharon Bella Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be making vegan waffles. 2 cups of organic white flour and 1 cup of organic oat bran, about 3 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. You can use virgin or refined or any type of oil. 3 tablespoons baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. If you're using vanilla, you can put a little more, but we use almonds, so I'm gonna just use 1/4. 2 cups of water. Give this a good stir. And these are really nice and fluffy waffles. They don't feel real heavy. And towards the end of this, my husband likes chocolate waffles, so I'm going to be adding some cocoa powder and make him some chocolate waffles. Your batter should be kind of thick. You don't want it to be real runny in a waffle maker. Okay, looks like it's ready to take a peek. Let's see. Oh wow, that is beautiful. That's our first waffle. Yum. Very good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is add in some chocolate for chocolate waffles. I have organic cocoa powder, and I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons. And now we'll be putting in our 1 cup of batter with chocolate cocoa powder. Make a chocolate waffle. Wow, look at that yummy chocolate waffle. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. See how it just cracks? Perfect. If you don't have a cutter or don't want to bother, just cracks. And this is it. We have our plain waffles with almond extract, and we have chocolate waffles with cocoa powder. Doesn't that look yummy? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.